Pick it, try it, like it. Preparing vegetables and fruits. Consuming fruits and vegetables can help youth and adults improve their health. Zucchini Carrot Bread is one way to enjoy fruits and vegetables. Ingredients needed for zucchini carrot bread include many pantry staples, as well as fresh vegetables. You will need all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, ground ginger, an egg, canola oil, grated zucchini, grated carrots, and optional chopped walnuts or pecans. Before beginning, preheat oven to 375 degrees and grease a 9-inch bread pan. In a large mixing bowl, stir together flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and ginger. Set aside. White whole wheat flour may also be used if you have it available. Wash, peel, and grate the zucchini. Also, wash, peel, and grate the carrots. In a medium mixing bowl, beat the egg and add the oil. Add the grated carrot and grated zucchini to the egg and oil. Mix well. Add the zucchini mixture and nuts, if desired, to the flour mixture. Stir only until all the flour is blended. Do not overmix or the bread will be dry and chewy. Scrape the batter into a well-greased 9-inch bread pan and bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for 50 minutes. Remove from the oven and let the bread cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then turn out onto a rack or plate to finish cooling. The bread may be served warm or cool. This recipe makes one 9-inch loaf of zucchini carrot bread. For more information or with any questions, please contact SDSU Extension through a regional field office or a family nutrition program representative.